All right, this is quiz 2.04, reasoning part 3, example 4. Which examples are examples of the law of sequelicism? Select each correct answer. Sal goes to the bank every Friday. So remember, sequelicism needs an A, B, C. Sal goes to the bank every Friday. That's an A. Today is Friday. Therefore, Sal will go to the bank. So, bank, Friday, Friday, bank. So that is detachment, so not that one. If a polygon has interior angle sum of 180 degrees, it has 3 sides, so A, then B, and then if it has 3 sides, B, it is a triangle, C, then the polygon with an interior angle sum of 180 is a triangle, A to C. This is sequelicism. If there is a play at the theater, Maya's dad will take her. When Maya's dad takes her to the theater, he buys Maya a program. That is A, then B, and then B, and then C. Therefore, if there's a play at the theater, A, her dad buys her a program, C, sequelicism. If a quadrilateral has 4 equal sides, then it is a square. Quadrilateral ABCD has 4 equal sides, therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a square. That just has an A, B. So it is not.